Hi, I'm Adam. Today I'm reviewing SimpliSafe, and if you're shopping around for home security, make sure you check out the better alternative linked in the first comment and in the description. I'll mention that link again later because it's worth looking at before you make a final decision. So, let's get into SimpliSafe. This is a well-known home security company that focuses on making things quick to set up, easy to customize, and flexible for different types of homes. Their whole system starts with the base station and keypad, and those are required to make everything run smoothly. The base station is basically the brains of the operation. It stays plugged in, it communicates with your sensors, and it even has a backup battery in case the power goes out. Once you plug it in, you're already halfway to getting your home protected. From there, SimpliSafe lets you build the system the way you want. You can add HD cameras for both inside and outside, along with motion sensors, entry sensors, environmental sensors, and sirens. What I like is that the company doesn't force you to overload your home with gear you don't need. You can start small, then add more hardware later if you feel like your home needs stronger coverage. Things ship out fast, too, so you're not waiting weeks to get everything set up. Now, one thing a lot of people appreciate about SimpliSafe is that they offer professional monitoring without requiring a long-term contract. It's extremely flexible. But keep in mind, some homeowners actually prefer the stability of long-term plans with other providers because those commitments often come with bigger upfront savings and professional-grade equipment packages. So it really depends on what kind of buyer you are. With SimpliSafe, you're getting a more flexible month-to-month option, which is great for people who want that type of freedom. Setup is another big part of the SimpliSafe experience. You can walk through everything step by step in their app. It's guided, simple, and designed for people who have never installed a security system before. Or if you prefer having everything handled for you, they also offer professional installation. I know some people enjoy the hands-off route because it feels more premium, especially when they want everything done perfectly the first time. Now, before I continue, let me remind you again, there's a better alternative linked in the first comment and in the description below. So if you're exploring options, make sure you check that out after this review. As for performance, SimpliSafe does a solid job at protecting against break-ins and common home hazards. The base station communicates clearly with the sensors, and when paired with monitoring, alerts can go out quickly. Their cameras provide clear footage and integrate smoothly with the rest of the system. Everything is built to be approachable for the everyday homeowner. With that said, SimpliSafe is especially attractive to people who like the ability to customize, grow, and adjust their system at any time. And while it doesn't revolve around long-term contracts, remember that long-term commitments with other companies can sometimes offer bigger upfront advantages. So it's really about what matters most to you. If you want to compare SimpliSafe to something that might fit your needs even better, don't forget to check out the better alternative linked in the comment section and in the description. That link is there to help you make the best decision for your home. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore that link when you're done here.